welcome back to my channel, Modestly MASKI. I'm MASKI La, and today, as I promised you all, I am going to be making a soy-free veganese. What we are going to be using is the water from the chickpeas, which is called Aquafaba. Now, Aquafaba is a natural egg replacer, and veganese or mayonnaise is usually made from eggs and oil. I mean, some people add of course, salt, vinegar, lemon juice, mustard, all of those things. Today, we're going to be just using basic ingredients. We're going to be using the Aquafaba. You can also throw a couple of chickpeas in there if you want to. Like I said, always have fun, get creative. We're going to be using pink Himalayan sea salt, a little apple cider vinegar, and oil until you get it to the consistency that you want. Some like theirs thicker, some do not. So we're just going to slowly pour the oil into the hole until it gets to the thickness that we desire. So the first thing you always do is you always wash your cans off, always, before you open them. So I already washed my can off, and now we're just going to pop this open. Always be careful now. We're going to open our blender, and we're just going to pour the water from 1 can of chickpeas. Now you can make your own Aquafaba. Don't be scared if a couple chickpeas fall inside. Sometimes I put my chickpeas right in there. So this is about, let's say a little less than 2 cups, maybe a cup and a little bit of liquid it looked like. It was less than 2 cups. Oops, see? A couple chickpeas fell inside. So we have our Aquafaba. How about this much? 2 or 3 chickpeas probably fell inside. And we're going to put our sea salt, pink Himalayan sea salt, inside. We're going to add a little apple cider vinegar. Now remember, the better your blender is, the least amount of oil you will have to use. And try to always use a oil that does not have a strong taste, a strong flavor. I'm going to be using sunflower seed oil, because sunflower seed oil has a neutral taste. It's not too strong, and it just works for me. So we're going to get started. That's the sound of some ready veganese from Aquafaba. Let's check it. Oh yeah. So, can you see it from here? So our veganese is ready. See that? You see the peak on it? See that? Yeah. And as you let this sit, it will get a little thicker. So we're going to just pour this in a bowl. And this will get thicker. There you have it, our veganese from Aquafaba. So for those who do not want to use soy, Aquafaba is just fine. Try it out and tell me how you like it. If you like this video, Give me those thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell so you'll always be notified when I upload new videos. Leave a comment below. Tell me what you think. Tell me if you use something different, you know, because maybe I want to try it out. So until next time, peace and blessings to everyone. And remember, if I can do it, so can you. Shalom.